Impossible to paddle with one hand. Oh. I can't paddle and steer and take a video at the same time. That's just not happening. Uh-oh. Sorry, buddy. Sydenham River in all its glory. That's terrifying. Looking back that way? Yeah. Yeah, you really wouldn't want to get sucked in there. Mark, you're getting pulled in. Just let it happen, man. So my kayak's actually getting sucked toward the waterfall. I really should not be filming right now. I should not be doing this. A bit risky. Oh my gosh. I don't necessarily feel like getting sucked into the waterfall today. So nice out here, man. Beautiful. Technically the camera's waterproof. I could dip it underwater, but psychologically I don't think I could do it. All the way down to the mill dam.